Hi everyone, welcome to Flavors by Manju. Let's make some crispy Jowar Murukku today. They are super tasty, full of flavor and really easy to make. Trust me, once you try them, you'll keep coming back for more. Alright, let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of jowar flour to a mixing bowl. Next add half cup of rice flour and half cup of gram flour. Now add salt as per your taste and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Add some carom seeds by crushing them between your palms. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And now mix everything well until combined. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 tablespoons of hot oil. This will give the murukku a perfect crispy texture and rich flavor. Now mix everything really well until the dough sticks together and holds its shape when you press it with your hands. Heat 1 cup of water, the same cup you used to measure the jowar flour. Now add half of it to the mixture and mix everything well with a spoon. Now gradually add the remaining water and give everything a good mix using a spoon. Then let the mixture sit for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flour to absorb the moisture and soften slightly before kneading. After resting, knead the mixture into a soft, smooth dough using your hands. If it feels too dry, sprinkle a little water and knead it into a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a cloth and set it aside. Now take the murukku maker and attach your desired plate and grease it with some oil. Now take a small portion of the dough, wet your hands with some water and knead the dough again. This helps the dough become soft and easy to press. Repeat this step each time before placing the dough into the murukku maker so that it stays soft and easy to press. Now place the kneaded dough into the murukku maker and close the lid tightly so it's ready to press. Now gently press the murukku onto a flat surface like a plate or a parchment paper, forming small spirals. Take your time to shape them neatly. This part is quite satisfying. Keep going until you finish shaping all the dough. Now heat some oil in a pan and check if it's ready. Drop a tiny bit of dough. If it rises to the top, the oil is ready. Now carefully drop the murukku one by one. Don't overcrowd the pan. Give them space to fry evenly. Let them fry on medium flame until one side turns golden and crisp. Then gently flip them over and cook the other side. Once they are golden and crisp on both sides, take them out and drain the excess oil. Give the dough a quick knead again before placing it into the murukku maker. Next, you can also press the murukku directly into the hot oil, just like I am showing here. But make sure to keep the flame on low while pressing to avoid splashing and ensure even cooking. Fry them on medium flame. You'll notice the bubbles reducing as they cook. That's a good sign they are almost done. Be patient here. Slow frying gives the best texture and crunch. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Shape, fry and drain. And that's it. Crispy Jowar Murukku is ready to enjoy. Let the murukku cool completely, then store them in an airtight container. They will stay fresh and crispy for days. If you try this recipe, do leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes.